Lazy Little Shed Shop. So today we came in here, we was doing a bit of filming. It is ridiculously hot in here. We've had the door open for about 4 or 5 hours so far, and it is still 28 degrees in here, which is mighty warm. And I am not a skinny guy, not even close to being skinny. I have changed colour, and it made me think, yes, it might be an idea to change out the moisture traps that we've got going and see how they're doing. Well, I have this one over here. Holy moly. That needs replacing. I think that's what we call full. Whoops, hadn't been taking much notice of them. The other one, on the other hand, is up there. And here's the funny thing, I just realised I didn't put it up there. I think the boy did. And he's got a good foot on me in height, so this could be interesting. Here's the thing, I thought, it might be an idea for me to record, just in case something goes wrong, because I can't reach that. I mean, I literally cannot reach that. I thought I might as well let you see, just in case something goes wrong. So it's a strong possibility it might. I literally cannot see what I'm doing, so let me know if I'm going to cover myself in horrible water. Okay, I got it. No, I got it. Oh no. Can we get it from this side? I think it's full, and I think I'm going to regret doing this. I got it. I got it. Oh. I should have emptied this one by now. Oh my god, look how full that is. Whoops. Everything is hot at the moment. So, this is the one from over on the bench. I really have not been taking any notice of, and I probably should have. And this is the one from in the rafters, and that is about as full as you can get. I need to empty these and then refill them. Gloves, definitely gloves. I remember. Okay, ran out of blue ones and found a clear one. A little bit weird. She's gonna be funny, isn't she? Right, let's get these emptied out there. Oh yes. Don't drink this. Let's go get these cleaned out. There you go, this stuff is amazing. That's after 1 month being in the shed shop, drawing moisture out of the air. That's 2 whole litres. That's not bad. I need to get those refilled. And as I still have flakes, not the pearls, I do have a bag of pearls, but as I still have flakes, I'm gonna fill them with flakes first. Get that crap out of the way first, and then buy pearls from now on. Piece of kitchen roll stuff, and pop off the top. There. That's all that's left. Little sludgy, slimy bit. I'm gonna go knock this out outside. And there we go. Right. Blue roll. And clean this up. Voila! 1 bag of refill. Notched out end. Goes to the spout. Like that. This is flakes, not pearls. And we just pour. Lots. Woo. Take this, rounded end, goes over that spout end. Job done. Now that goes back into the rafters up here. I'm going to leave it close to the edge this time so I can actually get it easily. Oh yes, I'm not that stupid anyway. Oh yes, I am that stupid. Right, now do the second one. Exactly the same process. Go knock that out. Lovely jubbly. Now for clean. Clean. And clean. Spout. Notch out. Tab. And refill. Don't throw it everywhere. It ain't cheap. It's cheap compared to what it can ruin. Not this. Damp. Done. Now put this back over here. Clean down anyway. And that is the end of that bag. Had a hole in it. Stick duct tape on things with holes in. Well, I have to say, if you do have a damp problem and you want to get rid of it, Damp Kontrol with a K. Brilliant stuff. Does the job. You see how much moisture it's taken out of the Shedshop in just 1 month with 2 contraptions, no, with 2 moisture traps. Well worth their money. Saves your tools, will save clothes, wood, materials, whatever it is, wherever you've got damp. You want it to be gone? Damp Kontrol. Moisture traps, job done. They do them different sizes. They do lots of different bags of sizes and refills, and they do different ones. Get yourself one of them and no more damp. Brilliant. Thanks for watching Little Shedshop. See you next time.